Okay, what team are we trying to find?
Russia.
Oh crap.
I mean,
okay, let me switch. Okay.
We're a little split up.
I am.
Hellbender's gonna stay over there because he wants goon tags.
Okay, do we have a second squad going on Russia?
There should be one. Some dunk guy has a different squad.
I joined Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie's low-tech's not the squad leader.
Fuck. Their AA is way back by
G.
Their home point.
By G or something.
Yeah.
Key lime pie and ice cream, motherfuckers.
Hmm.
I guess I'm getting a ride with the puppy. Or not. What is he doing? Mates, what are you doing? Is Mates here? Yo, Hellbender.
What?
Yo, what are you doing with that Jeep?
Be advised, I have eyes on a hostile helicopter south of your position.
I'll take a Jeep.
No cancel. Objective Echo is lost.
The G-Hub off of it, right?
Yeah, there's C4 on it.
Does mechanic increase repair tool damage?
No. Wait. I think the one, if it increases your repair speed, it increases your sabotage speed as well.
Good.
Be advised.
You don't need
We now control objective Charlie.
I'm not sure. Oh, we got.
Okay, might as well get out of C and go for that. Where's
Control
that?
objective Bravo.
Hey, is the missile truck still alive?
I've located hostile LAV west of your position.
Okay, where is the missile truck right now? I spotted it. It said, oh, no, missile truck is dead, guys.
Oh, I'm the only one left.
Oh, there's.
What?
You still in the area?
Well, let me switch.
We've taken objective Foxtrot.
Because you don't have tags.
Objective Alpha has been lost.
Man, this delicious speed guy can fly a plane.
Germania gunship in the air. Heads up. Hey, soldier, where are you
We're in
going?
trouble here.
We need you over
I
here.
have a really bad drive.
Yeah, we don't have our home point. Let's take that back.
I'm gonna go check out D because I have a Jeep.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Is Roadkill a goon?
Oh, wait.
Alright, we should make a goon squad then.
Tags.
Someone getting
Let's
tagged?
go
To south of your location.
Oh, I missed the,
Alright, I'm in India.
I missed
How did
the
I just
spawn
kill
base.
myself with a grenade?
I'm not an engineer, Ned.
That's fine. I'm not a very good pilot.
What are all these tanks doing at B? Do they want to die?
They were overrunning my ass, so that's the only information over there.
Guess they want to die.
Could you,
Wow, we
like,
have
drop me
all
off
but
at ARB when you get a
2
chance?
Yep.
Yeah, no problem.
No rush.
I just want to let you
Oh,
We're gonna get that,
got stuck in the rocks.
we got a spawn beacon outside C.
Man, the tanks really run away
Thank
once
you.
you take a Jeep toward them.
Yeah, they do.
It's Pavlovian.
I don't speak Mexican.
Listen up, objective Charlie. He is neutralized.
Blow the wall.
Man, it's fun chasing Jeeps. Chasing tanks with Jeeps. Even if, like, I die, they just go so far back, it's hilarious. I think that tank is just gonna leave B alone now. Maybe go to C. Hey, Goon. Senpai, how you doing?
Alright.
North of your position.
There's nothing to
I've
kill
spotted
here?
an enemy machine gun.
Nope, we took care of that.
Okay, cool.
How the fuck did he get on the roof?
We're just taking control of objective Charlie.
He flew.
Tank
Tank coming into the sea.
Enemy is taking objective Foxtrot.
I'll see if I can take care of it. Where did
Wow.
that tank go? Oh, it went away.
It ran away.
Radio, there's enemy tank south of your location.
George Washington's coming.
That's not all that's coming
Обнаружен, танк, Roger.
But enough about my
I'm
weekend
gonna beat my horn
plans.
so the tank knows I'm coming for him.
That's the
Yeah, if
true
you're not
way.
driving around laying on your horn, then you're not driving around.
There's enemy helicopter south.
running.
First position.
Oh man. Oh, he finally blew me up.
So the Chinese guy.
It's a good thing I have another one.
Why is there a VDV buggy sitting outside of
Neutralize objective Foxtrot.
Spawned right in front of a fucking tank. Love this game.
What team are you on?
Canada. Not Canada, but the other one.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Chinese
We
one.
now control objective Foxtrot.
That's what you get for not being on God's chosen.
That was a little short.
No, I'm on the Russian team.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're on the correct.
Yeah, I spawned on the scene. There's an enemy tank right there.
Looks like I missed the tank.
You
Some guy
killed
bailed
someone
out
though.
of their MAA, trying to kill us.
I might have
I
killed
killed
some
him.
guy on foot with
Where's their
a
MAA?
No, I have it now. He bailed out of it, tried to kill me.
Tank at B.
We got it coming south to sea.
Son of a
Go
bitch.
get. LAV is headed to sea.
There's a guy at A. I don't know why he's at A. He just came by in a Jeep. Is it one of you guys?
I got killed in action. I didn't hit a single fucking thing.
Did it say M67 killed you?
No, killed in action. I didn't touch anything.
Light armored vehicle.
Yeah,
Where's
sometimes-
the tank view?
Sometimes you trip on a rock and die.
It was in the middle of a field.
It happens, man.
I'm asking because it happened to me. It says I got killed by my own M67 grenade. I never threw a fucking grenade.
That's really funny.
Dice.
Well, yeah, the incorrect weapon might be the but just killed in action is
No, it wasn't
Hey,
killed in
there's a
action. It
chopper
wasn't
here
killed by
at
someone.
sea. If anybody can fly it.
weird.
Tank north of B is spotted.
Is it an admin
Killed me.
killing you?
I don't know. If anybody can fly this chopper over at sea, we have their transport chopper.
You got me
Oh,
excited
hey,
that
someone's
I
trying
got
to
a
take
little
B. I wonder why.
I got hit on the tank.
You hit on a tank? Weird.
Due west of your current position, there is an enemy
Like
soldier.
Ooh, I got slammed. Or maybe I didn't. I don't know. Killed him both.
The guy landing on an F roof.
Looks like people are leaving the other team, guys.
Well, then we're
I'm
doing
not
a good job.
surprised. We're doing God's work.
Pretty much. What's going on today, guys?
Enemy
Not much.
spotted.
Someone's about to get stabbed.
Okay. Tanks. I need locations.
They're all near that one place that I can't see.
And I like that you can bring down a
G.
entire building with one Jeep full of C4.
Roger. Oh, I think I either a server crashed or got booted.
That got kicked or something.
I'm still on.
Server crash, probably.
Client connection.
No, it's down.
Check
Oh,
your
I'm still on
connection. Yes, the server crashed.
No, server's still up.
Still on it.
Then I got booted.
I got booted too. That's weird.
Probably all
Or
you guys
your
with that
your
LJK got
client
booted.
just shut down randomly.
Isn't it Punk Buster
Too
if you
good
get
for
booted?
them.
Enemy sniper east of
Just
your
not
current
LJK, I'm still here.
I'm still here. No, JK.
Check your network connection. Make sure that port 3659 UDP is open. What?
I think it was the kick, wasn't it?
Literally never gotten that before.
Welcome to Dice.
Ooh, I got an anti-vehicle medal.
I don't even know what that
I was
means.
starting at the chopper. Switch to pilot.
I swear this whole map was just made for C4. And that's why we love it.
done for the night. Later, Goose.
Good night.
Later.
See ya.
Oh hey, what's going on at sea?
There's a tank
Where?
at sea somewhere. I'm dead.
Enemy sniper due east of your current position.
Tank's
Oh,
dead.
big boom.
That poor tank.
There's a squad there on foot. They have like no HP.
It's cool.
I like how sometimes you can stab someone from 6 feet away, and sometimes it doesn't work that way.
We've taken objective Charlie.
Sometimes you feel like a nut.
Sometimes you don't. Oh man, Joy's got nuts. Don't.
Objective Bravo was taken over by the enemy.
Oh hey, they got Bravo.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go back to Bravo. See how it's going.
Okay, but do not want to drop a bipod where you can't see anything.
Game knows best.
Okay.
You mean the guy who shot me on the stop animation? No, he's up in the building.
Be advised we have now lost objective Charlie.
They're above A.
Вон патроны! Возьми!
Above there.
Yeah, they're in those houses up there.
Oh crap. I guess you know what that means. I'm gonna have to C4 all those houses. Hey GSS, you want me to just C4 this house?
Go for They're down in B.
It looks like the game's just not going to work for me right now, so I think I'm done for the night. See you all tomorrow.
Are you having that memory issue?
Oh, that house is gone.
It's saying check your network connection and make sure that port 3659 UDP is open.
Try rebooting.
Okay. I was trying to find people who are still having a memory problem.
They just hate.
Are there stealth bans?
Okay, looks like they still got A.
Вот вам патроны, берите!
Yeah, I bet you can connect to any server but that one.
We could find a new server.
Yeah, sure. If people are getting kicked from this and they can't rejoin because of temp bans or real bans, I mean, we should just go somewhere else.
Yep.
So,
Let me get my knife ribbon first.
So someone who's not on the server, you want to start finding a new server?
Due east of your current position, there's enemy sniper. Objective Alpha is now under our control.
Give me a minute and I'll start looking.
Sure.
Вон патроны, возьми!
Destroy all the buildings.
Т4 установил.
Sniper in there.
Вот твои патроны, возьми!
Oh, we have A and B back. Oh, hey, someone's at B.
There's a squad at B.
Are they above it or below it?
Below it. They're by the wall. One's in the rubble here at the corner where the rocket is.
Is that a tank?
Yeah, there is. I think that's our tank they stole.
I am going to
Вот патроны!
You're gonna eat it?
Bye-bye, tank.
We have just lost control of objective Echo.
I feel sorry for it.
See where my dead body's at? There's a sniper camping the stairs.
Okay, I guess we cleared him out. Good job, guys.
So I'm gonna blow up that building though, I guess? Well, you're spawned closer than me.
Oh yeah, I got it.
We now control objective Echo.
Yeah, give me a minute. That's all
I think an Iron Maiden acapella song just came on my Spotify. I'm not quite sure how I feel about this.
I have eyes on enemy helicopter south of your position.
Okay, another building.
Objective Charlie clear. Neutralized.
Okay, what buildings haven't we destroyed? I see one.
Goon Urban Renewal Project.
They should let us have Detroit.
We would put Robocop out there for that.
Okay.
Listen up, men. We have lost objective
So, how do
Echo.
I steal the train?
You just gotta capture it. Steal it effect. Oh, what? I did not get far enough away from my C4. There's still guys parachuting down in the buildings way above A and B, so probably a spawn beacon.
Most likely way in the back.
I'll destroy all the buildings, so they'll take care of
Aircraft
if it's in the
of your
building.
location.
It's not.
It might be in the
Guarantee it.
lots. Yeah.
If they're parachuting, it isn't.
Give me a sec.
Oh yeah, that's true. They can't parachute if it's well, what if it's on the roof, right? Then they can parachute?
If it's on the roof, yeah.
He's overlooking the staircase right where I died. Yeah, right there. He's standing looking around.
Due south of where you are. There's enemy sniper. Objective Echo is neutralized.
Okay, another building down.
We've taken objective Echo.
Man, this reminds me of the good old days of that beacon. Building Demolition Incorporated. So is that every building? Did I miss something? Oh, yeah.
I preferred when we cleared the forest with slug shotguns.
That was fun too.
Патроны берите!
3.
We have just neutralized objective Foxtrot.
Yep. 3, carefully play your C4 will take down the whole building.
I planted 2 extras.
Attention!
So,
We
that's
now
all the
control
buildings, right?
objective Foxtrot.
Good job, everyone.
Praise be to Obama.
Praise Obama. So, do we find anything in the rocks?
Barack Hussein Obama.
I guess we didn't, huh?
I killed the guy in the rocks.
But I mean, we didn't find a beacon, right? Then I guess we're good.
They're probably just spawning off that. Well, no, they're parachuting. But they're not parachuting anymore.
C4, устанавливаю!
Objective Alpha has been lost.
Alpha.
Возьми твои патроны!
Right side, we're low takedown.
And A. And go left to B. Where could that dancer come
He's a
from? Okay, the guy at B got me. And someone else got him. Okay, B should be okay.
I got him.
Thanks.
Спасибо!
Okay, time to check out. Oh, yeah, you guys got A already.
Little help on C.
Okay, I'll come down.
Listen up, I've spotted the hostile heavy armor due east of where you are.
Watch out for the little bird.
Вот твои патроны!
Why is the little bird attacking?
Why would it not?
I mean, this is just like
Objective Foxtrot was neutralized.
gonna attack someone.
Due Hostiles new position is anti-tank soldier. Objective Foxtrot is now under our
C has been leveled to the ground, hasn't it?
Yep.
We have neutralized objective Charlie. We have control of objective Charlie. We have control of objective Charlie.
Little bird.
Hey, did it used to see?
Oh, that's the A. I'm gonna go get the A.
Be advised, we have lost objective Echo.
Oh, I missed the A.
We got a half squad on E.
Radio in!
You guys got the A. Good job.
There's enemy tank. Objective Foxtrot neutralized.
Hey, my vehicle's still here. Yay.
Возьми патроны.
We need that train.
You guys want to go get D
Spawn
now?
beacon on the roof.
Слушайте, все слушайте меня. South of your current position, there's enemy helicopter.
This guy
What
on
kind
the
of
rock.
nemesis tag on me?
I say again, I've spotted a hostile
I'm a bad
LAV
driver.
south of your location.
Oh, I guess you're all done investing babies.
We now control objective Foxtrot. East of your current position, there's light
I don't like
armored
any of the other points.
Hostile enemy light armored vehicle east of where you are.
Okay, we got the train. Well, that was weird.
Listen up. We've just neutralized objective Golmud. Enemy tank east of your current position.
They're attacking A.
Oh, hey again, huh?
Did not know the train had a gun on it.
Yeah, the
Has
train
two actually.
The train has a gun at each end. It's kind of awesome. It's the awesome train. Okay, anyone who left this, who got kicked from the server, if you found a new server, this round is about to end, so we can join the new server. If you found a new server.
Good work, and we have just taken control of objective Alpha.
Good job, everyone. Wow, 334. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a close, but not like, horrible 600-0 defeat.
So is there another server or we just stay in?
Yo, guys, who left? Anyone still here? Who got kicked? You guys find another server?
They're not. Yig and Roman aren't in any servers.
Oh, okay. Well, never mind then. I guess we're staying.
Oh, I left because I thought we were going to find another server.
Well, yeah, I
Nice to
asked
die.
you guys to find the servers since you weren't on it.
No, I was on it. I just left.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
So should we bail?
Yeah, we can still bail. We can go find another server. So who wants to find the server, guys?
Not me.
I'm looking.
Cool. Pico's finding the server then. Oh crap, I missed my chance to quit. I wonder what the next map on the server is going to be. Let's find
It's
out.
road transmission.
Really? Rogue?
Yep.
As much as I like C4 ATVing, I think we can leave that out.